In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload the statement via CSV provided by NetSuite. So meaning this is NetSuite's native format. We'll go to Transactions, Bank, Import History, Upload File. Just below, select Financial Institution and you will select this Import with Default Parser. You'll then notice that there is a Download CSV template file over there. When you click on that, it basically downloads a file for you, and it should be in the following format. It should be empty. I've pre-populated mine, and remember, very important is this date format over here. You need to follow this format. Unfortunately, this is not configurable, so you'll have to use the format NetSuite supplies to you, which is month, date, and then the year. The payee is the person that's coming from, usually the company, making the payment, so you'll enter the details in there. So if you're receiving money from Alibaba, for example, you put Alibaba in there. I'm just putting dummy one there. What is the transaction ID? So for example, what transaction did the customer pay? The transaction number that you paid to your supplier, that will be in there. And the next one should be then your transaction type. So there's various types in NetSuite. I'll show you quickly the types that I have over here. So you have the following types that you can put in there. And in this document, I'll also give you the Suite Answer article, which basically shows a match to which transactions within NetSuite automatically. So that's the type. So usually debit and credit is the most common, but you can also, for example, if it's a bank fee, you can list it as an actual fee. Let's go back to it. And you can see they have bank fees and the amount, and then the memo. Usually that is the same as the transaction number, unless there's a specific memo that your bank has provided or something for it. So that's you'll populate that in memo. So there is my file populated. In your case, you will have to do this manually. There is 3 additional files over here, and this is mostly used for matching the statement to transactions within NetSuite. So for example, if I want to match it immediately straight to a specific invoice that a customer has paid, I can put those invoice numbers in here, and NetSuite will try to match it directly and clear that off for you. So yeah, that is more for your cash application side of NetSuite. Okay, let's go back to NetSuite. So I'm going to upload my file now. So you're going to select your file. Okay, I got mine. I select my file, and the next thing I go down to is my actual account over here. So for what account am I actually importing? Now I'm going to select this Goldman Sachs account over here, and then I'm going to import. Okay, so once I've imported that, I can go and check my status to see if it's successfully imported. And brilliant, I can see it's successfully imported. The way I can verify that is by going to the match bank data. Okay, and then I select my account over there, which is my Goldman Sachs account, and there we go. We can see all the transactions that I've just imported. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually match it against open transactions within NetSuite. Thank you.